So this is the wallet. Right click and get inspect. This is few there's just few steps, okay, and then get a cancel, okay, and clear everything from here. Then paste script, right click, select all, right click again, and copy your script, minimize it, and then just paste it over here. Press the enter button, box pops up open here, okay, and here's our unconfirmed transaction. We just need a hash ID to confirm in our wallet. So paste it over here, okay, click OK. As you can see, what's written there, I can't read that, okay. Click OK, once again OK, and close everything from there, okay, and just refresh the balance and see the magic. As you can see, our payment received successfully in the wallet. Let me show you the time. It's, let's see, let's refresh. It's 4:40 p.m. Friday 12th December 2025, okay. So yeah, and this is transaction. It will take maximum 1 hour to complete. Maybe it will confirm right now during the video, but it will take maximum 1 hour. Yeah, it's confirmed right now during the video. I was just talking about that, okay. So if you are new on the channel, subscribe this channel for more related videos. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.